Hey, for those that don't know me, I'm Mr. Walker from Oakfield Academy. I'm going to show you a home workout that you guys can do called the C.A.R.D workout. All you need for this is you will need a deck of cards or to go online and find yourself a random card generator. If you look at the learning resource that I've done for this little workout, you will find a link to it, okay? So first things first, you need to shuffle your deck and pick out 20 cards. Each card has a different exercise attached to it and a different amount of repetitions. This is the amount of times that you're going to do the exercise. So, for instance, if we take this 3 of hearts, okay, we'll do the exercise associated with it 3 times. If it is a picture card, for instance a jack, you'll do that exercise 10 times. If it's an ace, this is the one you really want to get, okay, because this will give you 2 minutes rest. But the one you definitely do not want to get is the joker. So you need to make sure the joker is in that pack, okay, or included on your online generator. And that is going to be 50 reps of the last exercise that you did. So the last card you turned over, you do that 50 times. So let's have a look at what those exercises are. So if we start with heart, okay, if you don't know what heart looks like, that's what heart looks like. It is a mountain climber. So this is a cardio exercise that gets your heart going, because you're using multiple muscles at the same time and working it really hard, okay? So you're going to come down to all fours, okay? Hands just below your shoulders, feet come up, knees come up, okay? And you're going to, one at a time, bring your knees towards your hands, okay? And you're going to do it quite quickly, so watch. Each time you bring your leg backwards and forwards, that is 1 repetition, or 1 times, okay? Let's look at the spades now. So the spades, you're going to do a push-up, and just like the mountain climbers, what you're going to do, come down, hands just underneath your shoulders, okay, knees come up and back, and you're going to be working your chest muscles and your arm muscles, okay, you're going to pull yourself down to almost at the floor, and then push yourself back up, and that is 1 repetition. If this is too hard for you, what you can do, take a raised platform like this, put your hands on top of it, and just the same, hands underneath your shoulders, pull yourself down, push yourself up. If the normal version is not hard enough, then you're not getting much from it, what you can do instead, put your feet on top of your raised object, okay, and then pull yourself down, push yourself up, and that puts a lot more weight on your chest, okay? Now, let's have a look at a club. If you don't know what a club looks like, that's what it looks like. Go over. So, you're going to ask your parents to make sure it's okay to use your dining room table. And what you're going to do, take away the chairs from underneath the table, slide yourself underneath, and we're going to be working our back muscles, but also our bicep. So our back muscles, mainly the latissimus dorsi and your biceps. You're going to slide yourself under until your hands are above your shoulders, okay? Take your hands to the edge of the table, and then you're going to pull yourself towards the table. Ready? That's 1 rep. If you've got to do a lot of reps of this, or you struggle with this exercise, what you can do is bring your feet closer to your bum, and just do the same thing. And then that is slightly easier. Oh, you're all flying away. So, finally, a diamond. Okay, so a diamond looks just like this, and this is going to be our leg exercise. So, we're going to use walking lunges. What you want to do is you're going to take 1 foot forwards, bend your front knee. Your front knee does not go past your toes, okay, and your back knee comes to almost the floor. You step up and just walk like that. So it looks like a really funny walk. You can do this around your house, and it's going to work quite a few muscles in the back in your legs, but mostly your quadricep muscles to the front. Okay, if it's too easy for you and you're not feeling much from it, what you can do is a ballistic lunge. Okay, so you come down to your nice lunge position, okay, and you're going to explode off your feet and swap sides. Okay, so ready? That's 1. Okay, so if I go through the first line with you, My glamorous assistant has shuffled my cards. She's placed 4 rows on the table. Let's see what we got. After each row of 5, you're going to set out your cards in 4 rows of 5. Okay, so 20 cards in total. If you want to challenge yourself, you can do an extra row or 2 to do 30 cards. Okay, bear in mind 20 cards are going to take 20 minutes, 30 cards are going to take 30. Okay, so let's see. So I've got King of Diamonds, so that's going to be 10 walking lunges. I've got an 8 of Hearts, so it's going to be 8 mountain climbers. And then I've got a 3 of Diamonds, which is going to be another 3 walking lunges. 8 of Clubs, so that's going to be 8 table rows. 5 of Spades, so that's going to be 5 push-ups. So we're going to start with our King of Diamonds, which is going to be 10. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right, quickly get back to the table to see what's next. 8 of Hearts. Now we're going to get down for our mountain climbers. Okay, hands underneath our shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Next, 3 diamonds. So we're going to do another 3, but this time I'm going to do my ballistic lunges instead. Okay. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. 8 of Clubs. So we're going to go to our table. Let's go. Keep it up. Keep it up. So 8 table rows, hands above your shoulders, legs out straight, or close towards your bum if you need that extra bit of support. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cool. Right, back to the table, put the cards on. Finally, we've got 5 of Spades. That's going to be 5 push-ups. I'm going to do with my legs raised to make it a bit harder for me. Okay, hands under our shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now I'm going to do, taking over time, rest for 1 to 2 minutes. Whilst I'm doing that, I'm going to flick over the next row of cards and get ready to start again. So let's see. So then I'll do that row, rest, next row, rest, next row, rest. Okay, have fun, try hard, the more you'll get out of it.